Hi everyone, back with another video, Cold Tries New Things. As you can tell, this month I've been getting a lot of lava lamps recently. Today I got another one. Yeah, another one. Um, this one we found at a local Target. It says it's a pink and purple, but once we opened it earlier, it was a white and purple. Like, the lava is white and the liquid's purple. Well, it kind of looks like a purple and pink, but not quite. Let's give it open and see how it is. So, the base. Yep, this is the base right here. And now, the moment of truth, the lava lamp. Okay, there it is, coming up. We got this just today. Here it is. Wow, this looks great. You can see the lava. It is the lava. Yes, of course it is white. Of course it is. And the liquid is purple. Looks very nice. I found out what year this one was. It's not 2025. This is a 2024. Another 2024. But what month is it? I'll tell you. Hold on. This is a September 2024. So it's pretty new. It's a brand new one for sure. Just gotta get the light bulb out of here. There's a light bulb on this thing here. See how the light bulb turned out in here. Awesome. Looks great. We gotta just do this first. Watch. There we go. Okay. Now we just put in the light bulb. Okay. Take off this plastic. I'm planning to get a lot of lava lamps this year, not just these, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But let me get this off. Okay, there we go. The light bulb's in. And then this. And then that. Alright. There it is. Alright. We're gonna turn it on and I'll let you know, guys, how it is. Alright, here it is, my brand new lava lamp here. So here's the top coat on the thing right here. So yeah, white cap. I mean, this is the white cap right here. You can feel it. White cap. And yeah. We're gonna turn this thing on, so let's see how it looks. Ooh. Whoa, that looks nice. Alright, let's turn this on and see how it does. Alright, so what we're gonna do is I got the three same exact colors, the purple and white. So first of all, here is the top code on the first one. This is the brand new 2024. Here is the top code on my other one. This is my 2023. This one I expect to do good too. And here is the barcode on my 2021. This one does good also. These were all from Target. These all do. Let's see how these do, and I'll let you guys know how they do in the end. Look at this. This is what it looks like right now. Look at that. Oh my gosh, a lot of liquid in the... Wow, that looks awesome. Here how the other ones are. This one's just doing its thing. And here's my other one right here. Okay, so here is the aftermath of this one. This is the brand new lava lamp. And seems like it is working. So it is very clear. You can see it very good. Very nice. Here goes the lava. Look at that. So cool. And here, that's my new 2024 Pretty awesome. Here's my 2023 right here. This one looks like it's doing good also. Pretty crazy. And very nice. And then my 2021. Yes, this one is a little bit different. This one's probably like the most clear, I think. That's what I'm guessing probably. This one, it does a marvelous job. I can't believe. It's awesome. See you guys. Alright, here's what it looks like now. It's been a couple hours. As you can tell, it is 2 a.m. But here's what it looks like now. As you can tell, I mean, this looks really good, dude. I'm so happy that I got on this one. The lava is so good. And it's very colorful. Especially the base, everything. Wow, this is a very awesome lamp, dude. This was definitely worth the money. I think it was like $24 for this. And it was at Target. What a great experience having this lava lamp. I'm definitely going to keep this one probably for a while. Until it breaks down, maybe. But this was definitely worth the money. You see the lava in there? Very nice and colorful. It's pretty awesome and worth the money. Here are the other ones also. They did really well also. Okay, goodbye. This lava lamp just keeps getting better and better. Like, especially if you have it on longer. I mean, it looks groovy. Yeah, this one looks kind of like old style a little bit, which is great. Awesome. Wow, look at it. So awesome.